Watch me transform this simple box into a beautiful creation. First, I'm going to start by preparing the strawberries, and I am just patting them dry so that I can begin to dip them into the chocolate. This is a very simple process. You want to make sure that the chocolate is fully melted and that you dip each strawberry fully into the chocolate. Now I'm going to do this for each strawberry, and then I'm going to change to pink chocolate to dip two of the strawberries in pink. Now I didn't use much chocolate because I was only doing four strawberries. After all the strawberries are dipped, I'm going to place them in the refrigerator to set. They're out of the refrigerator, and my daughter thought she was going to get one. So now I'm going to finish the process of decorating them by adding some glitter and adding more chocolate drizzle on top of them. After I'm done decorating them, I'm going to place them in the refrigerator again, and then I'm going to begin the next step. The next step is to make the heart-shaped cake that goes in the middle. And to make that, I'm using a heart-shaped cookie cutter, and this is going to be the 4-inch cookie cutter. This cake box was for a special person, and this special person loves frosting. So I'm going to cut this layer in half so that I can put a layer of buttercream in between. This step is optional. You can decorate the cake without doing this step. Also, instead of using a cake board, you do want to use parchment paper so that you can easily place the cake into the box later. So I accidentally forgot to bake cupcakes and I baked a layer cake instead. So what I'm doing is using a round cookie cutter to make these round circles to fit into the cupcake liner. And this is an unnecessary part, but this is what I had to do because I did forget to make cupcakes. This cake box definitely needed cupcakes, and I did not want to bake a whole nother cake. So, this is just a creative way to make cupcakes. And the special person that I made this box for did not mind at all. Now, I'm going to decorate the cupcakes. I'm just going to add a rosette to this cupcake, and I will cover up the cupcakes later with some decorations. Now, I'm going to decorate the cake. I'm just going to add rosettes to the cake in white and pink. And I am using a 1M piping tip to create these rosettes. Then I'm going to go in with a 6B tip to make these pretty little stars in white and pink as well. Now it's time to decorate the box. I did get this box off of Amazon and I will place the link down below so that you can order it if you would like. And I'm just going to take all of the plastic out of the box so that I could begin to decorate. Since the cupcakes are the biggest, I'm going to add the cupcakes first and then I'm going to put the strawberries on the side. And I did use a smaller cupcake liner to put the strawberries into the box so that it did not touch the box. So this is the tricky part, placing the cake into the box. Now you want to make sure that you place it right because I accidentally placed it a little bit off so it fell into the box. But because the cake is cold, it did not mess up. So you just want to place it right into the box. Now I'm going to add this cute gold heart topper onto the cake and then I'm going to use marshmallows to act as fillers into the box. Then I'm going to add more mom toppers onto the cupcakes. And these toppers came from Amazon. I will link everything I use down below. Now to top off the cake, I'm going to add these gold rods and then I'm going to add gold pearls. And that is it. The box is complete. Add the cover back on there and then tie it, and it's ready to give to that special person. This box was for my sister. She did end up sharing a strawberry with my daughter. Of course, she shared the glitter one and she got glitter everywhere. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful creations like this. And happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there.